Well, hello there, YouTube, and welcome to Monday, the 5th of March. This is a nice little surprise. Thought it was supposed to be pouring down rain today. Heck yeah, we'll take it. Look at these things after sitting overnight. Oh, that's beautiful. That's absolutely perfect. Oh man, that's really, really nice. Heck yeah. All that orange peel or whatever that was in there all settled down. That's beautiful. Man, that's gonna look good. Man, I'm super impressed how those painted parts came out. Way cool. That's probably the closest we've come to hitting a deer in a long, long time. The deer up on this hill on this cliff. And all of a sudden, we didn't see the other one that was halfway down the cliff, walking on that thing like a goat, come flying down and hit the road. But luckily it stopped before it got in our lane, or it'd have been a goner, and we'd have been showing you some truck damage. Well, little woman, it's the beginning of a new week. It looks like it's been raining here, but it looks pretty nice at the moment. So hopefully it dries out.
Yes.
And hopefully I can get those BMWs put together. I've been trying to do for how many days now?
I know it. You have got mud all over you.
That would be from the dogs. Alrighty. I'm gonna head on down.
Alright.
Lugs.
Have a good day.
You do the same. Alrighty. Bye bye. You guys remember this one? Some of you guys even come here and ridden this one. That's way cool. Alright, so it looks like my schedule's cleared, unless, like last week, things just get pushed in. I'll get this one and hopefully the other two out there. The reason I came on, 45 degrees. That's crazy. It feels like it's about 65, I'd say. But you see them rain clouds coming? It's supposed to be raining today. It looks like it's moving towards me. I'll get somebody to help me with a forklift and at least get those things out of the crate and in here with me. Well, hello there, SV peeps. Let's take this here Rallye. I just realized something. This is the first, well, it's a Rallye, but it's a GS. But this is the first GS I've taken for a ride that has the TFT on it. All new for 2018. Man, it's amazing how much smaller the seating position is on a GS as opposed to a GSA. Oh yeah, still feels wonderful though. Yeah, one of these days and people will learn. Slow down through there. It's usually people that worked in that complex. Because I recognize, like that van, that's not the first time that van's done that. Yeah. Never a bad thing to take a BMW for a quick test ride. I got a comment from somebody I never got a chance to answer back. It goes, why do I take them on such a short little ride? They want to see more of a ride. Oh, these are brand new pre-owned motorcycles, and we have to ride them as a part of our setup and pre-delivery. BMW wants us to quality control check themselves, you know, which seems weird, but you know, hey, human hands touch this thing. And then my human hands touched it, or someone else's. They want them test road. It's part of the inspect for road worthiness, as they put it. I mean, you just never know what you might find in a test ride. I mean, I've been doing this a long time. I've come across some crazy stuff. But anyway, we don't want to rack up a bunch of miles on it. They come out of the crate with, you know, 1 to 2 miles on them. I've seen them come out with like 3. You know, they just run them on the rolling road. Every one of these things is ran on a dyno, for lack of better terms. And this one's no exception, nor are the others. They're all run. You can see the disc, and you can see by the mileage, you know, the thing was ran. Watch the videos on them assembling these things. The Germans are very, very particular. Very strict, very anal. Which I just think is the coolest thing ever. I just love that they're that nitpicky. But anyway, I have to I have to ride it, but I don't have to take it for a long ride. And I wouldn't want a whole bunch of miles. I would be thinking, you know, that it was a demo bike or something if it had a whole bunch of miles on it. But they're gonna have, regardless, they're gonna have 2 or 3 miles on them anyway. Let's just see what this one has on it. Take a peek down here in our system. Total 3 miles. See, 3 miles it has on it. And my little trip here is maybe a half a mile. Not very far at all. So this thing ran, you know, 2+ miles on a dyno. To make sure everything works just as it should. And then I'm just the last person to check it before the proud new owner this year, R1200 GS Rallye, goes rolling out the door with it. The happy, happy new owner. God, these things are just the most wonderful motorcycles. I prefer going one step further and going for the GS Adventure. But doesn't make this one any less cool. But I just love the sound of these things. That sound of that boxer. So nice. I never know where they want them, so I just kind of land them up here. Probably don't like where I put them. Alright. Got them grip eaters on. That feels nice on my little cold phalanges. Voila. Thank you guys for coming along for the test ride. Yeah, buddy. That's one good little motorcycle. Alright. That's the beautiful R1200 RT that was in the crate. Check that out. Solid black. 2018 S1000 RR. All that dust on there is from the wooden crates, because they assemble the crates around the bikes. They always end up with that wood dust all over everything. Your eyes are not deceiving you. I go through my paperwork. I don't want to carry the paperwork with me in case it rains. I don't want to, you know, some of that stuff is important documents, so I come back and do my paperwork and bring it up. And so it's a good thing to read your PDI checklist as you're going through it. Read it. Did I do it? Yes. Check. Read it. Did I do it? Yes. Check. Going along, I go, it says frame protectors. You know, frame protectors. I go, what the heck? Frame? I go, oh, wait a minute. It's a Rallye. I come over here and guess what's sitting on my counter? The frame protectors. They go on the frame to keep your boots and stuff from scratching it. This comes with the Rallyes. And a whole bunch of little bung guys. Get double-sided tape. It sticks it. And then on top of that, you wrap it. Ooh, is there 6 of them there? Yeah. But yeah. Make sure you read your checklist. The only thing that bums me out is that blue frame is so beautiful. And then when you put these on, it covers up some of the beautiful frame. It's alright. But yeah, I'll show you when I'm done. So there we are. Now she has frame guards. Not engine guards or anything like that. It's just frame guards to keep your boots from scuffing up that beautiful red and black paint. So now I can take it back upstairs and call her officially done. What a knucklehead. But that's why we have checks and balances. Man, that thing is pretty. The beautiful 2018 R1200 RT. Man, those things are nice. But it's 5 o'clock. I'm rolling out for the night. I guess we got some new scramblers coming here. Should be here any day. I wonder if there's anything different on them. Well, little mama, we have made it through the first day of a new week. For the most part, it's been nice all day. A little cloudy here and there, but mostly sunny. I was down there in a t-shirt for just just my shop shirt for the longest time. You even took your coat off? Yeah, that was nice. Man, I shagged that thing right away this morning. I don't know why, but it seems like it's been a bit since I've stopped for gas. But look at this. Look at. All right now. Sometimes you get that thing on there wrong and she just doesn't want to keep on going. Still 309 here. I know you guys in the UK are like crazy expensive compared to us. You guys almost pay that much per liter. But anyway, beautiful night here so far. I don't know what the temperature is, and I forgot to see what sunset was. It's showing it's 47. 47 feels good. Look at that. Tonight, sunset was at 6:02. Heck yeah. Well, hello there, YouTube. Made it up the house safe and sound. Stopped at the local grocery store. Got some little goodies.
Little something.
With some frozables in there.
Yeah, frozables. There's frozables.
So it was a day of BMWs all day today, and still didn't get that RT done. I still have the S1000RR. I just get too many things, too many irons in the fire, and got a service tomorrow, so I have to pull that back off. But anyway, yeah, good day. It was nice and warm. I was in my work shirt most of the day. It was very nice. Kelly even took her coat off, so. You know it's nice when she does.
It got warm. Yeah. I took it off for like 2 minutes and go, oh, cold. So I put it back.
And today was supposed to be rainy and nasty all day today.
Yeah,
tomorrow's supposed to be
nice.
Yeah. It's supposed to be 55 here, so it'll probably be over 60 in Vancouver.
Yeah.
It's gonna be
cool.
It's gonna be nice. It's gonna really be a bummer to be at work and working on stuff and just staring outside thinking how beautiful it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. But whatever. So anyway, I'm gonna put the Spyder together, swap that stuff around right quick, give you guys a quick little blip of that with that stuff assembled on there. See what y'all think.
Very cool.
All right, so I'll do just a final goodbye there. We'll do our normal goodbye thing here, and then we'll have a quick little blip out in the garage.
All right.
All right.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. And you guys have a wonderful Tuesday or Wednesday.
Heck yeah. All right. Till tomorrow.
Tomorrow's another day.
Tomorrow's another day. It's going to be a nice one tomorrow.
Yeah. It's going to be cool.
All right.
All right.
We'll see ya.
Bye.
Bye now. All right. So here's the wings assembled and the shield assembled. So let's get her on the bike and see what it really looks like. Okay, you guys ready for this? There's the black adjustable wings. There's the black vent on the very small shield. I've got rock dings. I'm trying to clean this thing out. I got rock dings all in that shield. That shield's been on there quite a while. That worked out fantastic. And the one thing I was worried about is those wings looking funky down there. But it just looks like a continuation of the mirror basically. And I did not paint the back. So the back is still chrome. See how they're adjustable? Man, you put it in that mode and it just scoops on the driver and the rider back there. That thing works. These things work so good. And then there's this midway. I always forget which way you turn them. Because, yeah, they don't turn perfectly flat. Just the angle of the switcher up there. But like with this, you just get a straight pass through of air. And then they're bigger, so you get more deflection than the stock ones. The stock ones, oh, I got the wrong side. The stock ones are a whole lot smaller. You can see they're considerably shorter, which they work fine. But on cold days, it actually deflects more wind. They're a little longer and a little wider. But yeah, there we are. Got my vintage shield back on. Heck yeah. Oh, and I put my little Ram accessory. Hey, I shared a thing on Facebook this morning that 2 years ago, a nice gentleman by the name of Key traded in his 2011 or 2012 RT for an F3T. And before he traded it in, he gave me the little Ram bracket. So you can, there's a Ram ball on there. You can put multiple ones on there. I think I've used it for a phone a couple of times and different things, but you just, any Ram attachment just bolts right on. I've been passing that back and forth between since the 15 demo or 16 demo, I don't recall. Anyway, what do you guys think? I think it looks downright nice. The nice thing is I was able to put it on, and that wasn't going to be a big chrome piece, and that wasn't going to be a big chrome piece, which would just offset, you know, the blacked out Spyder. Not that I have anything dead against chrome or anything, it's just that would not work. So, there she is. Alright, once again, thank you guys very much, and let me know below what you think. Alright, we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.